What's going on YouTube? I'm back here on another install. Today we're going to be installing the demonized Bluetooth headlights on my 350Z, as well as an LED strip and blacking out the headlight housing. This is going to be a budget build. Everything's going to run under 50 bucks, and I'll leave the link to all the products I've used down below. So we're going to be using this LED strip that I got on Amazon and the demonized. So one thing to note about this install is we're going to be opening the headlight housing, which is stuck together with glue. A lot of people just throw the whole headlight into the oven and take it apart that way, but we decided to not do that, and we're just going to use a heat gun and see if that does the trick. So to remove the headlight, you're going to want to locate the 4 bolts that are holding it in place, and then remove it from the wiring harness in the back. Once the headlight is out, you're going to want to take the screws off around the headlight and then start heating it up with a heat gun in order to loosen the assembly. So I went ahead and painted the headlight housings matte black. To put the headlights back together, you're going to heat up the adhesive again so that it bonds to each other.
So this red and black one go connected to your daytime running lights. The red one goes to the green and white, and the black one goes to the black. And this yellow one, you're going to tap it into your turn signal to the green and black one.
This is from the LED strip?
Yeah, this is from the LED strip.
Alright, so for the demonized, you're going to run them straight to the battery terminals. And put the module right here. And then run it to each individual headlight. So I had one running this way. And run it this way. And then plug it into the other headlight. Alright guys, so this is what the headlights look like. Look pretty clean, all blacked out. You're going to want to get the Happy Lighting app, which is right here. And then you could pretty much turn on your demonized with this. It's pretty sick. You can also change the colors on here. This is so cool. Alright guys, it's pretty much going to be it for the video. Thanks so much for watching. Huge shout out to Edward for helping me install the headlights. I'll put his IG down below, right here somewhere. So you guys could follow him to check out his build as well. He has a 350Z just like mine. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button already. And I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. See ya.